Are you keeping an eye on Meta's stock? With the rise of AI, the Metaverse, and strategic investments, Meta Platforms Inc., Nasdaq, Meta is making big moves. But is this the right time to invest, or is the tech giant facing an uncertain future? Stay tuned as we break down Meta's stock performance, growth potential, and key factors influencing its future. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, has been a dominant player in the tech industry. But in 2024, things are shifting. From AI advancements to virtual reality, the company is investing billions. The question remains, is Meta stock a solid long-term investment or a volatile risk? Meta's stock has seen significant gains over the past year, with strong revenue growth driven by its sales and increased user engagement. In its latest earnings report, the company posted impressive revenue figures, showing resilience in a competitive tech landscape. However, rising costs and regulatory challenges pose potential risks. One of the biggest drivers of Meta's stock in 2024 is its focus on AI. With advancements in AI-powered advertising and content moderation, Meta is leveraging technology to boost user engagement and ad revenue. Their AI-generated recommendations are improving ad targeting, increasing profitability. Meta's commitment to the Metaverse is undeniable. The company has invested billions in Reality Labs, developing VR and AR technologies. However, adoption has been slower than expected, with competitors like Apple and Google entering the space. Can Meta maintain its lead, or is the Metaverse becoming a financial burden? Meta is facing increasing scrutiny from regulators. Privacy concerns, antitrust lawsuits, and content moderation issues are ongoing challenges. Governments worldwide are implementing stricter data protection laws, which could impact Meta's ad-driven revenue model. Analysts are divided on Meta's stock. Some see immense potential due to AI and Metaverse innovations, while others warn of market volatility and regulatory risks. As an investor, understanding these factors is crucial before making a decision. So, is Meta stock a buy, hold, or sell? While the company shows strong growth potential, risks remain. What's your take on Meta's future? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more stock market insights.